Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this today, I want to show you how to build a complete smart vehicle telematic system. Imagine being able to start your motorcycle or car engine not with a physical key, but by a simple tapping your national ID card or any NFC tag to your smartphone and watching a real-time web dashboard respond instantly. In this video, we will dive deep into how to connect a mobile application with a web dashboard in real time using Firebase, complete with a digital engine control feature using NFC technology. Let's get started. Okay. And this the Flutter. Before we jump into the code, let's understand the system architecture. This project consists of three main pillars. First, the web dashboard. We open the web dashboard. We go live and look the web dashboard. And this the dashboard web. You can run to on of on engine. This is a build using pure HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. With the Tailwind framework, it acts as the visual instrument, cluster monitoring speed, RPM, and total mileage. Second, the mobile app. But the mobile app, I can show you in this laptop because I open the application with my phone running the browser. So that's and the Flutter, I built this using the Flutter framework and it X GetX for state management. This app as the primary controller in the NFC reader, and third, the bridge connecting them together Firebase real-time database. Like, we are use the Firebase to connect it. We use Firebase to ensure the data synchronization happens with ultra low latency when the mobile app sends an engine on signal. The web dashboard receives in 8 milliseconds, and we open the code in the index HTML. Let's start to the code. I wanted a futuristic cyberpunk aesthetic, so I utilize Glassworks UI design combined with the Orbitron font from Google Font to give it that digital Google piece. Using the CSS, I use the CDN to script. And this the code for UI Cyberpunk aesthetic. Now let's look the Firebase integration. Here, we are import SDK via CDN. We initialize the app using our unique configures key, and then we create a reference to our database page. The magic happen. Sorry. And this in the Flutter mobile app, we are using Firebase to connect the web and the application. You can see this, and you can do it with using the fab coding. I use the anti-gravity or Ngemini to build the code, Gemini to build the prompt, and anti-gravity to build the code. So let's check it to the simulation, how to this system works. But this is just simulation software known and not the real data and using the real motorcycles. This is for example like we tap NFs, okay, national ID in the phone and the engine to start and connected to a website like that. Okay, wait. Okay, before I want to you know how to create the Firebase. You can visit the website console Firebase google.com and create a new Firebase project to with the Smart Vessel IoT. And you to the text editor like VS Code, you build the file index.html like this, and uh, you can build the prompt in Gemini and paste in the anti-gravity to build the code and the theme like your like. So in this the Flutter you can build the application with Control Shift P to build a new project Flutter. But we don't because we done with this project. Okay, let's go to the simulation. And then we are success to tap national ID card and on the engine, but this is the simulation engine, not the real data. Okay, so in the next video, maybe I will to try how to use this to the real motorcycle when we tap national ID card NFC to phone. The motorcycle is engine is on and the data like speed, like engine RPM, the total mileage is real data in the motorcycle. Okay. Also, maybe that's it for my video, and see you in the next video. Assalamualaikum. Okay, and in this video, we are using the national ID card to scan the NFC tab in the phone, and we test to check it when we tap the national card to phone. Else the website on too. Okay, let's test. Test. Lu bola yang lurus buat ditinggal ke melompat ke wait. Retest. Okay. No. And the engine is on. I stop and start again. Tap. Ah. And is working and success in the Firebase console. We open this. The real-time database. The VISL is true when we start and we stop. The change to false. And we tap again. We change to the true again. Okay. This is a simulation software, but we don't have the IoT hardware to simulation the real. with the motorcycle, but in the next video we are using the motorcycle. Okay. And then we are success to tap national ID card and on the engine, but this is the simulation engine, not the real data. Okay. So in the next video, maybe I will to try how to use this to the real motorcycle when we tap national ID card NFC to phone. The motorcycle is engine is on and the data like speed, like engine RPM, the total mileage is real data in the motorcycle. Okay. Also, maybe that's it for my video and see you in the next video. Assalamualaikum.